Instant Courier Rates, your urgent and time-sensitive packages and parcels solution provider. Picture this. A natural disaster strikes. Roads are blocked. Communication lines are down. Hospitals are overwhelmed. In these moments, every second counts. I'm here to talk about something that might not be the first thing on your mind when you think of emergency preparedness, but it's crucial. Courier services. Now you might be wondering, what do courier services have to do with saving lives in crisis situations? Well, let me break it down for you. In times of crisis, the usual supply chains can be disrupted. This can lead to shortages in essential supplies. Medications, blood products, medical equipment, and even basic necessities like food and water can become scarce. This is where courier services come into play. Courier services are the backbone of emergency logistics. They're the ones who step in when traditional methods fail. These teams are specially trained to navigate through crisis zones. They know how to get through blocked roads, how to communicate when the usual lines are down, and how to ensure that critical supplies reach where they're needed most. Take, for example, the aftermath of Hurricane Katrina. The devastation was immense. But amidst the chaos, courier services played a pivotal role in delivering life-saving medications and supplies to hospitals and shelters. They worked round the clock. They braved the elements. They saved lives. And it's not just about natural disasters. Think about public health emergencies like the COVID-19 pandemic. When the demand for medical supplies skyrocketed, courier services were there. They ensured that PPE, testing kits, and vaccines reached the front lines. What makes courier services so effective in these situations? First, their flexibility. They can adapt to rapidly changing circumstances. Second, their expertise in logistics. They know the most efficient routes. They know how to handle sensitive and critical supplies. And third, their commitment. These teams are dedicated to their mission. They understand the stakes. So what can we learn from this? As healthcare professionals, it's essential to integrate courier services into our emergency preparedness plans. We need to establish partnerships with reliable courier companies. We need to ensure that they are familiar with our facilities and our needs. And we need to conduct regular drills and simulations to ensure that everyone is prepared for the worst-case scenario. In conclusion, courier services are not just delivery companies. They are lifelines in times of crisis. They are an essential part of our emergency preparedness toolkit. The next time you're reviewing your emergency plans, don't overlook the critical role of courier services. Because in a crisis, every second counts, and having a reliable courier service can make all the difference. Thank you for watching. Go to instantcourierrates.com for free quotes on your next delivery.